animal cell. And an animal cell is found like inside of our bodies. And if you like look close enough with a microscope, you can see them. But so there's a cell membrane, which is a semi-permeable substance, which means things can go in and out, but not everything. Like for example, a door. A door, humans can go through, but elephants can't. So a gel-like fluid, which is the region in between cell membrane and the nucleus, and it just like keeps everything in place, kind of. And these are lysosomes, which are basically like garbage men, which break down big molecules into smaller molecules so that they can go out like waste material. And then these are Golgi Body or Golgi apparatus, which are like male systems, because they take ribosomes, which I'll explain later, and they just send them through the cell because the cell needs it for proteins. And these are mitochondria, which basically take a protein and burn it with oxygen to create cell energy, which is what helps the cell stay alive. And so if you look closely underneath here, you can see ribosomes, which are like couscous seeds or rice. That's what I modeled it as, and they are tiny things that are so small that they create proteins, and they're made here, and they are attracted to the ER, which is a maze of passageways which can transport things throughout the cell, and this is the nucleus. And the nucleus contains the nuclear membrane, chromatin, ribosomes, and a nucleolus. Now the nucleus is like the control center of the cell, and it has all the instructions. So the nuclear membrane is also semi-impermeable and lets things in and out, like for example ribosomes out and like energy in. And and then these are supposed to look like chromatin, which is a loose type of genetic material, which is like the instructions. It's also known as DNA. And then this is the nucleolus, and the nucleolus is where ribosomes are made. And the reason I chose this for it is because it has lots of spikes, and it's round, and the spikes represent ribosomes, which look like this. And yeah.